Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. Today we're going to look at this beautiful 2022 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Just an absolutely beautiful car. Comes with a 5.2 liter supercharged V8, Brittany Blue Metallic with white vinyl stripes on it. White stripe down the side with the GT500. Just an absolutely beautiful piece of equipment here by Ford. But before we get into this GT500, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. I told you we are in Sarasota, Florida. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. Not going to go through the entire inventory here, but just give you a little bit of a flavor of what we have. If you want to visit our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, you'll be able to see all the cars, additional pictures, and several more pictures of this GT500. We have over 100 pictures of this car online. The interior, exterior, engine bay, close-ups of the carbon fiber wing, this beautiful blue Brittany Blue Metallic paint, also carbon fiber wheels. See the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s on it, the Brembo brakes for stopping power. Just an absolute stunning car. As I mentioned, you'll see it on our website. If you're not in Florida and you're interested in this car or any of the other cars, please don't hesitate to still give us a call or visit the website, as we do ship worldwide. Last year we shipped to 19 US states and about 9 countries around the world, so we can get this Shelby or any of our other vehicles that you may be looking at anywhere you want. Door to door, everybody that we use is fully insured and bonded. If you're looking to finance, we do have some late model finance companies we work with and several classic car lenders that can finance your classic car of your dreams. So please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website, Classic Cars of Sarasota. And then back onto the Shelby. This GT500, you can see the supercharger on top of this 5.0 V8, producing over 700 horsepower. Does come with the carbon fiber track pack. As I mentioned, the Brembo brakes. Does have the 7-speed automatic. Shelby. Lower arrow in the front here. Again, just 200 miles on this vehicle, so just in the break-in you can see the stamp, clean Carfax on the vehicle. So stamp in the fenders, everything is original. Recaro seats, black leather. Carbon fiber on the dash. Again, a little bit hard to see with the car inside here, but as I mentioned, please visit the website. There'll be better pictures on the website. You'll be able to see the vehicle. It does have the logo here that comes out, it lights up. Pretty nice touch there on the Ford Performance vehicle here. The Recaro seats. Go ahead and get inside, let you see the carbon fiber on the dash. The number, I think it's N2352 is the chassis number. We'll go ahead and fire this vehicle up. It's got that unmistakable Ford sound. Obviously the hood is open, you see. You do have the doors open as well. AC blows cold. Has nav. up, so I don't want to rev a cold engine too much, but let you hear it. Go ahead and shut it off. Just a beautiful vehicle here. Again, original colors of the first Shelby fastbacks back in the early days. Brittany Blue Metallic. Just a stunning vehicle here. Go ahead and shut the hood. That you look like you see it with the hood down. Again, just a beautiful vehicle. Flawless. Paint is in excellent condition. Ceramic coat. Carbon fiber track package. As I mentioned, Shelby GT500. Over 700 horsepower. If you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit us on our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. And we appreciate you tuning in. Thank you very much.